garlic, if you can help me with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I do a lot of the cooking.
This is an agriculture country, but we import stuff. And this is actually, I don't like these garlic. This is imported.
Too small?
No, this is the one imported from China.
Ah.
This is our local garlic here.
Alright.
So we have these today. I got them this early morning. And then this is the oyster mushrooms from my friend's farm also.
Ah.
And also the green beans, everything.
Very nice.
I pretty much get, you know, even my habaneros are just from the garden.
So what
Even
did
the
you...
calamansi and like,
Oh, calamansi.
you know, yeah. We
But
have a
here,
tree.
see, it's hard to grow things here.
I have some, you know, we grow some. I have kamote, we have sweet potato.
Oh, okay. I like
We have,
kamote.
I mean, this village has been here for a very long time. This is called American Village. The houses that were built here are really for the teachers for the University of the Philippines.
Oh.
The university is just right over here.
Yeah.
Like 5 minutes away from here.
Well, you find that in the States too, where the university
yeah.
areas are beautiful homes.
Yeah. So
Nice.
there are still bungalows here from the back in the day, and then we can start cooking already. We don't really need that anymore. We just have
And your name is Isi?
yes.
That's an easy name to remember.
Yeah. That's my dad's sisters who named the nickname. Oh. Try my garlic first before we put the ingredients. Also the black peppercorns and the baby. I have a lot of these. This is basically the ingredient of
Adobo.
adobo. This is really one of our national dishes now.
Yeah.
Well,
Vinegar. Oh, I mean, sometimes they don't use the soy sauce. So we call it adobo, white adobo, because it's not brown adobo. There's so many kinds, especially if you go to the provinces. You have different kinds. We also do adobo with just tomatoes and vinegar. You don't use
This is the reason you want to cook it outside.
sometimes they just would chop the garlic up so that it's included. But me, when I do my adobo, I like everything in it.
so you have one vegetable adobo and one squid
Yeah.
adobo.
It's very nice that they, you know, some of my guests are like, ooh, squid adobo. Like, of course they would expect it would be chicken or pork. And I'm like, no. Because this is one of my favorite dishes that my grandma used to make for us. Every time she makes adobo with squid, I just have a mountain of rice. It's my favorite.
So you just put the coconut vinegar in
Yeah.
there?
And then
In both of them, right?
yes. This one I use the pineapple vinegar.
Oh, pineapple
So you guys
vinegar.
try that. My friend was surprised because usually vinegar is really a condiment. And then when I posted about it that we're using it, oh, how is it? Because she's like, she's just expecting people to just use it as a condiment, not with cooking. But coconut.
But we have, there's such a large population of Filipinos on the island.
Yeah. That's why I love to go to Hawaii. I think I would love when my best friend first came from there, she made us a feast, you know, because she stayed there for like 3 months, and then she made us a feast of all the dishes that she tried and made and learned in Hawaii. It's just so similar to what we have over here. This is some of the condiments that I would like to share to you. I have some chili garlic here with our soy sauce. This is dried chili garlic, dehydrated actually, so it's not oily. And then this is papaya pickle. It's my grandmother's recipe. And then I asked her, hey, can I make it spicy? So now it's being sold in little bottles.
okay.
And then I started from there. I make other stuff. I made other jams. I made chutneys, and then other pickled items.
So you use this then as a green papaya, obviously.
Yes,
right?
green papaya with my grandmother's pickling secret liquid. Palapa. It's a burnt toasted coconut with different spices, and they pretty much use this as condiment with everything that they eat over there. So it's kind of like they have more influence from the Malaysian and the Indonesians down
Okay.
south in Mindanao.
Okay.
So
She had
most
me at
of
bird.
Yeah.
so most of the dishes are really, they have all these spicy condiments and these toppings for their dishes also. So this one's really good. Yeah, it's by reservation. And they also basically do what I do also. They just use local ingredients, whatever it is available. And they pretty much made this book specifically about all these, our dishes from the Spanish influence, the Chinese influence, the history of all. They pretty much went all over the Philippines to make this book. It's a very nice book. All rice cakes. And this is all came from my hometown.
So what is the process for this thing?
Oh, they pretty much steam the rice flour, and then they make all these kinds of different types of...
It's so colorful.
So they blend it or so?
Yeah, and then they steam it. Sometimes they cook. You use the dulce de leche for
Dulce de leche.
this one. Just dump it in
Courtesy
there.
of the Spanish.
This is toasted coconut
Okay.
again, and you can pretty much put that all over and just help yourself.
Dig in.
Yeah.